Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we will start from A to Z that how we can download the DEM from USGS. This is the first task normally in doing some hydrological tasks in the subject of water resources and hydrology. So what we need to do, you just go to Google and type here Earth Explorer, EARTH, Earth Explorer USGS, right? And you click enter. So then what you have to do is just click on the USGS website. Now you zoom in to the area where you are interested. Let's say I'm interested to work in Pakistan. So the area where I'm interested. So as we are here located at Toki, so what I will do, I will try to make a DEM for this area, right? It's a very big area, as you know. If you are from Pakistan, then it's a very large area. You can minimize to the area where you are interested. So in my case, I will try to download like some 10 or 12 tiles for the DEM. But for that, you need to have an account on USGS website. Otherwise, you will not be able to download the DEM data. So first you need to do, you just have to go to the login. As you do not have an account, so you click on create new account. You put your username. In my case, I put civil dot ngr dot gc as username, and I give it the password. You repeat the password, and you need to click on that you are not a robot. You have to fulfill the requirements of the username, right? And click on the continue. So then you have to explain them in which sector do you work. We are working currently in an academic institution, so I click it there. Are you working on the behalf of US federal agency? No. So which of the following characterizes you as a user of remotely sensed data from USGS? So we are basically the end user, and we do use this data for education purpose or scientific research. So I will click on end user. I have nothing to specify others. Do you work remotely sensed data from the USGS? No. What is the primary application for which you have used remotely sensed data from USGS in the past? You can say in the environment, or you can whatever water resources, or in our case, we will work like, let's say I click here land use land toward change. So if you have worked in hydrology, you can click that. So it's not really a problem, but you need to specify for which purpose you have worked in the past for this data. In addition to the primary application, in which other areas you use remotely sensed data from the USGS in the past? If you are a new user, so you can click on I haven't used it in other areas. So over the next year, approximately how much of remotely sensed data you acquire from USGS will be distributed to others to use as opposed to using it to yourself? No, I would like to use it for myself, so I will select none of the data. It depends on what are your requirements, so just fulfill there. Over the next year, how important will be free and open access to remotely sensed data from USGS to conducting your work? So it's very important because I need this data for my study purpose. So continue to contact information. Then I wrote my first name, address, GIK Institute, KKK, GIK Institute, right, and then country Pakistan, city is basically Turkey. So zip code is, I think I can check the zip postal code of Turkey. So it's 23460. I will write here 23460. So I will put my email here. So email, I will search. Let me search my email. It's civil.ngo.gk into gmail.com. So I have the same. So I will put my number, save contact information, let's say save. And then you have to contact information contains invalid characters. Let's say I remove this comma. Now it worked. So then you check your credentials and click on submit registration. So registration submitted. Now you have to check on your email. You will check your email, and there will be one email there. I'm just waiting for the email. Yes. So this is a kind of Gmail. So this is registration confirmation. You just have to click the link. Enter your username to confirm your account. So it is Muhammad Wasim. What was the username? I forgot. No, it was not. It was civil.ngo.gk. So I have to submit it. So now you put your username civil.engr.gk and you put your password and click on sign in. So now your account is active. So you can just save it if you want and go to the USGS website. Earth Explorer. Run there. It's still working. So now you are logged in. so you can download some data. So this is basically the first part, that how you can create your account on USGS website. In the next section of this video, we will learn that how we can download the digital elevation model.